Snoop,
What's up?
I need you to take that chicken out the freezer, clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, and please use bleach. Don't forget to take that chicken out the freezer, okay? All right, I got you, Ma. Don't even trip. I got you. Time it is.
Oh, shit.
I forgot to take the food out the refrigerator.
See, I knew your fat ass was gonna take the motherfucking forget. You stupid fat bitch. That's why I should have swallowed your motherfucking ass. You stupid, ugly, fat ass bitch. That's why you wear that fucking hat on your head all the time, because you can't afford no haircut. See, wait till I get motherfucking home, I'm gonna tell your motherfucking daddy, bitch.